So here's my next post. Think about it like this. I'm not even on homework anymore. I'm talking about being an independent thinker and independent learner. So this last person who posted, I actually kind of agree with them. They were like, "What? Why can't you do that at school? Why can't the teacher help you if you get stuck?" In high school, I totally agree. The teacher can help you if you get stuck. Why can't you finish your homework at school? All of that. But there still needs to be a transition from getting all of your help from your teacher to being an independent thinker and independent learner and learning to rely on yourself. Because when you get to college, there's going to be no sitting in class all day while the teacher helps you get all your homework done. You can go to tutoring, you can go to learning center, you can come to office hours. But I help you with a problem when you get stuck. There is no step-by-step instruction like that anymore. So if you've gone through all of your K through 12, and that's always been how you learned, at what point do you transition in being able to rely on yourself, trust yourself to be able to think, trust yourself to be able to solve problems? If there's never any transition to elevate that thinking, they arrive in college and they're lost. I've seen it. I've had students come to my office who have no self-esteem, completely don't trust themselves, don't think they can do anything, and are floundering because teachers and parents did everything for them. So they don't know how to study. They don't know how to organize. They don't know how to manage their time. They don't know how to keep an agenda book with deadlines and due dates. It's almost like they need somebody to get up and help them get dressed for the day. You don't want that to be the transition for your kid. That's why you start them on that journey in high school. Maybe not their freshman year, a little bit freshman year, take a little bit more away sophomore year, a little bit more junior year, so that by senior year, they're pretty independent. They know how to think. They know how to problem solve. They know how to reflect and be curious and be creative and do some things on their own. I didn't say leave them out there to drown. And if they're a documented disabilities kid, then you give them a little bit more supports if they need it. But just saying they do everything with their teacher and get all the support and then you drop them off at college for nothing, that's not fair either.